Hello guys, Lux Trigo here, and it's another day. But from the last vlog, if you remember, we went to a fish shop back in Ulverston, which is like right outside of town. And then there was nothing, I mean, there were seafood to buy, but they were quite expensive. But now we're going to another place, which is an outside market, and there's gonna be a lot of seafood apparently. And it's my first time going there, but it's not my dad's first time, so he's gonna be the guide going there. So here we go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and see you then. Pwede di card eh, oh. Pwede na contactless.
Doon nawa man eh.
Dawa tag 20. Dawa tag 20p guys. 20. Mana 20p.
Dawa taag.
Mana dawa to. Usa ka oras na £1.20 usa ka oras. £3.20 tulo, yan na. £2.20 duha, yan na, duha ka oras.
Yeah.
Saan papilit? Okay guys, niyan hinapunta diri again. Diyan nag-isdaan na, mga nag-isdaan nga itong ganaan itong nag-ilaw. But this time we're going this way. Badaplin pa kay naikuan pa. Muta eh. Pai. Muta. Na guys, gi-maintain gyapon nila ang karsada diri. Mo pa nitong sa una pa no? Yung karsada ha?
Na mga kuha na social distancing.
Mga social distancing na sign na. Darag sweet shop. Mag-isdaan pa. Muna'y tabo-tabo na mo diri guys. Pero gamay mga pila ra ka stall pa.
Daghan.
Daghan na sila.
Hindi ko. Maura na kunin ka ng kabisbihana.
Nasli ko no karnihan. Mga isda ay lang baligya pa sa garon.
Magapag mo dis baby.
Maora gapon ni mga salmon niya na.
Salmon.
Salmon, trout, cod, sea bass.
Trout mo.
Wala na pa yung mga mussels. Naawa. Alimangong baligya sila. Oo. Baligya pa sila alimango guys. Again, alimango diri dako.
A whole sea bass, please.
Whole sea bass. I've got a whole bream. Who's the shop for?
So ito, start ano ba?
Huh?
Snow no, si Bat?
It wasn't a whole breed.
Yeah, it's alright though, yeah.
Yeah, like, how many? One, two?
Page every
How much do you want?
week.
620.
No, this one.
This
Sorry.
one, no problem.
And also the crab place. You got?
No problem. Do you want me to take the scales off?
No, it's alright.
Leave it.
Thanks.
I'll just I might just salt, pepper, butter and under the grill with that. Or very hot one for 10 minutes.
In there.
Yeah.
Max squash. Another one?
Yes, please.
$8.60.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you.
Do you want me to open them?
No, it's alright.
Leave them? You're like the perfect customer.
Bit of a fat end.
No problem about the half.
Do you want me
I
to
know.
chop in half?
No, it's
I
alright.
have to chop the ball now for you anytime.
It's fine. I will get a bigger bottle.
Do you want
You can order.
take the ball now?
Yes, please.
6:30 there.
And then I'll finish. Thank you.
Top you up. What now? Anything else, sir?
Yeah. Thank you very much.
That's it.
Okay.
Maraming palit guys. Asa ito yung palit? Sea bream. Ug duha ka limango. Duha ka limango guys. Unsa gasto na total ng pila? Mga 7 po. 7 pounds no. 5 man na pala. 14 pounds ang mong gasto. Maro to guys. Ang palit ha? Saan to palit? Saan to palit? Ano di shop di? Kabilong mahuman ta. Na yung mga gulayan di. Ha? Ha? Dito pa. Asa man ta? Di may kasoda tong gulayan guys kas di pud mi kapili ingadtong kalakia kay di maka adto na ka sa gawas ag mo kuan ra ag mga tindira ra oh nasta paano lubian pa kuop ni convenience store guys convenience. Ato dito Morrison palit eh.
Do you have a whole coconut place? No, it's alright then.
Thank you. So walay coconut guys, walay lubi sadly. So yeah, that was everything for the video. Nothing else to show. Okay guys, I'm gonna finish the video there now. Hopefully you enjoyed that walk while we're walking towards the marketplace. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you have enjoyed the video, please give a video a like. And see you guys later. Bye.